Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Erica J. If you are new here, welcome. Today we're gonna do some bathroom organization. I'm gonna organize my drawers. You're gonna clean with me. Check out this hot mess we got going on. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so I'm attempting to clean out my two drawers. I don't even know where to get started. I guess I'll just empty all the drawers out first and then do it that way. I bought some containers for the other day. I just want everything to be organized and neat. It's just everything is so messy. You can kind of tell this is my side, right? This is like his and her side, and his side looks just so much better than mine. But anyway, so let's get started. Let's just start taking everything out. It's my little travel bag. Some of this stuff I never even use. And these are the other containers I purchased. So I'll tell you how much everything was. I might look at the receipt, but I didn't really measure anything or try to figure it out beforehand. I just went in there. I knew what I wanted and I just grabbed some stuff and I just did it like that. And this looks really cute. A hair accessory band. Maybe I can put some of my scrunchies and clips in there. We'll put that to the side. The receipt, we'll save that for later. Oh, I picked up some for my dog. And I'll just use this for trash, I guess. I don't know, some of this stuff needs to be thrown away. I don't even know what it's for. Braid hair. I'm sure I'll need that at some point, so let's not throw away the braid hair. And what is this? More braid hair. Blow dryer. I think I have 2 blow dryers, so this will probably be a good opportunity to throw one of the dryers away. I just gotta figure out which one works. I can't even remember which one is new and which one is old. I haven't blow dried my hair in quite some time. My cotton balls. That, okay? Oh, that's cool. And then I will put the attachments there. Okay, that turned out to look pretty decent. Perfect. Okay, now let's do, let's see, what can fit over here? I just thought there's so much more space. I'm so upset that this one does not fit all the way in, going this way. I wish it did. Okay, so I'm not sure what I want to do here. What other ones do we have? That one and that one. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. Well, I'm so confused. Okay, let's take this one out. Let's do, I don't know, for some reason I just really like this big one maybe. That can't fit. Okay, what about, now that's a thought, that can go down there. So let's work with these 3 and see what I come up with. So we're done with this one. Now let's move on to the top. I'm gonna get anxiety because I feel like the top is worse. Okay, so I'm not gonna mess with his side right now. Let's just focus on my side because that's the reason why we're here, is my side. Because complaints were made to management about me not having good organization skills and keeping things clean. So, all right. Y'all, I need to be ashamed of myself. Look at this cream. Look at this. This is when you know you need to clean up. This cream was for wingworm. Well, my daughter had wingworm like in her head from school. She was 3 when she got this. She's 11, right? So why the hell do I still have that? Like, you just need to, this is a shame. Let's see what can fit first. That can fit. It can't be 2 of those. So what about this one? No, but that can't go. And what do I really want? Let's turn some things around. Maybe? I don't know. Oh, there we go. Okay. Do it like this. That's perfect. Now, okay, necessity. Look at the hair tie is there. I don't know if you like videos like this, let me know. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. But let's take a look at the end results, guys. Let me get closer. I almost couldn't get up. So I was not able to put, let me fix the camera. Whoopsies. The only couple of things I did not fit back in were the hair, the braid hair. I'm gonna throw these things in the trash, or what, not the loofah, but the hair. So let's check out how it looks after. It looks so much more organized, right? It looks so much better. And then let's take a look at the bottom. It looks so much cleaner, right? Make sure you guys stick around and watch some of my other videos. You know your girl's channel is on fire. I am growing. Thanks for sticking around, and until my next video, y'all. Peace. Love y'all.